What's up, guys? We're back with another video. The boys and I are going bowling tonight, and I thought I'd make a video, because why the hell not? So hopefully it'll be a fun night. I'll probably get dinner after, so I'll film it all, try and make a good video. Let me get my bowling shoes on and let's go fucking play some bowling. I'm going to the car wash to meet Ben. So, yeah, get ready to see some Sylvia content. Alright, where is he? Oh, there he is. The little dirty boy himself. Woo! Is that an S13? Sheesh. Oi! Piece of shit. Excuse me, mate, what was that all about?
Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off!
The other one is here. What's up, Daddy?
Hello.
You guys just wait for tonight. Francis, Gab, and someone else is coming out. Bro, 2 more Subies, and apparently a stage 2 Golf GTI. Fuck, can't wait for that.
Dan, like the drug. It's like,
Oh yeah, can I have a drug, please? Thanks, sir. You look like a creepy drug dealer. This kind of so sus. I realize peeling's gonna take a bit longer.
stop your rubbish shit, cunt.
We have to peel it twice. The feeling doesn't stop HIV. Sex does.
100%. No, it's an extra 5 horsepower.
What a sticker. I love that.
Oh, dude.
That is sexy.
That is sexy.
Fuck with that.
Mine are boring.
Mine's bigger. I don't. Mine's not metal, man.
Mine's bigger.
Just. But I have a remote.
I don't give a fuck.
Let's go bowling.
Oh shit!
These guys have to go slow because they have low Jap cars. That's the good qualities of having a daily, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. We're here. This ball is gonna win me the game. That looks so sick.
No.
Bro, we got the names of our car on here.
That Mazda, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, Josh.
Go, Josh. Oh, no way. Oi. Go on, son. Get a strike. Hey. Surely you can finish it off. Yeah.
The undefeated champion, Stevie BB. You suck.
2 times. Oh, what? Daniel broke the machine. You idiot. Time to get a strike. One fucking pin. Oh my gosh. He got one. No way. What? I give up. I hate my life. So Daniel's gotten 2 strikes in a row. I swear if he gets another one. Okay, thanks, Mark.
Guys, this is a strike, okay?
It's going to be a strike because I'm better than Josh.
Jinxed himself. Go, son.
Never mind.
Oh, he got another one. What?
Now get strike, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. That didn't really work how Stephen wanted it to, so
And he goes for the shot.
what the fuck are the chances of 9?
We're up to the last round. Daniel fucking logging up. Oh, I got a congratulations as well. That's the end. Daniel won.
It's crazy.
We're done.
And now, is it dinner time?
Yes, I'm
KFC?
hungry as fuck. We're getting dinner. You guys won't be able to guess what we're getting for dinner. KFC? No. Yeah, you guessed it. Don't look at me like that, Colonel Sanders. I'm not fat, I swear. Bruh, it's so busy. Does anyone want to guess what I'm ordering? Bet you won't guess it.
Hey, how can I help?
Hey, can I please just get a Zinger box? You probably guessed it. What the fuck? Fuck yeah. Oh.
Is that where we're going?
I'm not leading this time, bro. I'm going to the end.
This was unexpected. Having like a mini car meet. Glad I decided to make a YouTube video tonight. I'm gonna try to scare these guys.
How you going, mate? Yeah, good to see you again, mate. Got my brand new New Balance. Oh, it's jolly old day today, mate, isn't it? Love you, mate. 1 second, they take one more photo.
No, fuck off.
Alright, everyone's gone home. So I'm just driving home now. I'll talk to you guys in a sec. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks all for watching. I didn't know the night was going to turn out like that. That was really fun. And I hope this video turns out good because it was fun to film and get all those clips. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.